Introduction to AI-powered time tracking in Trello.
Discover how to make time tracking effortless in Trello using AI tools. In this guide, you'll learn how to automate the logging of work hours as you manage tasks and projects. This can boost productivity, enhance accuracy, and free up your focus for higher value work. Let's explore how to set up intelligent time tracking step by step.
Why use AI for time tracking in Trello?
Manual time tracking can be tedious and error-prone. With AI-powered tools, your work hours are automatically recorded as you move cards or complete tasks. This saves valuable time, ensures accurate tracking for billing or reporting, and reduces the risk of forgetting to log hours. It also provides insights into team productivity and project progress.
Choosing and integrating a time tracking tool?
Select an AI-enabled time tracking tool that integrates with Trello. Popular options include Clockify, Toggl Track, and Everhour, many of which offer automation using AI algorithms. Follow the instructions provided by the tool to connect it with your Trello boards, usually through power-ups, browser extensions, or integration services like Zapier.
Automating work hour logging.
Set up your AI tool to automatically log hours based on Trello activity. Common triggers include moving a card to a new list, marking a task as complete, or assigning a member. The AI monitors these actions and records the associated time. You can configure notifications or approvals, ensuring logs are both automatic and manageable.
Reviewing and optimizing your time data.
Regularly review your logged hours within the time tracking dashboard or Trello itself. These tools often provide reports and analytics, helping you identify trends, optimize workflows, and bill clients accurately. Adjust your automations as needed to reflect real working patterns and improve the quality of your time tracking.
Getting the most from AI-powered time tracking.
AI-powered time tracking in Trello streamlines both individual and team productivity. Embrace automation to minimize manual work, reduce errors, and generate useful reports. By using AI to handle routine logging, you can focus on achieving your project goals while maintaining a clear record of your valuable time.